Produced by Mark Siebert. More gardens and information on companion planting can be found in his book, Beginner's Guide to Master Companion Planting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Welcome, fellow flower enthusiasts, to the enchanting world of companion planting. In this chapter, we'll embark on a journey to create a floral symphony garden, where roses and their companion plants dance together in perfect harmony. Picture a garden where vibrant marigolds stand guard over the regal roses, protecting them from harmful nematodes while enhancing their overall bloom health. As the seasons progress, successive blooms take the stage, each one supported by its companion plants, creating a visual masterpiece that evolves throughout the year. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to create your own beautiful and harmonious garden. Before we dive into the specifics of companion planting, it's essential to understand your growing zone. This knowledge will help you choose the right plants that thrive in your climate and ensure a successful floral symphony garden. Take a moment to research your area's USDA plant hardiness zone, which is based on average annual minimum winter temperatures. The star of our floral symphony garden is the rose, and we'll focus on the classic heritage varieties for their timeless beauty and fragrance. To create a harmonious trio, we'll pair our roses with marigolds and alliums. Roses: choose heritage varieties like Madame Hardy, Louise Odier, or Comte de Chambord for their old-world charm and delightful scents. Marigolds, French marigolds, Tagetes patula, are ideal for their compact size and ability to deter nematodes and other pests. Alliums: ornamental alliums, such as Purple Sensation or Globemaster, not only add stunning architectural interest but also help repel aphids and other rose pests. To further enhance your floral symphony garden, consider these additional companion plants for your roses. Lavender. Its soothing fragrance and pretty purple flowers not only complement roses but also attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Geraniums. These classic companions help repel Japanese beetles and other pests while adding a pop of color to your garden. Catmint, also known as Nepeta. This aromatic herb helps deter aphids and thrips, and its soft gray-green foliage beautifully contrasts with the lush green of rose leaves. Roses thrive in well-draining, slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. Before planting, amend your soil with organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve its structure and fertility. Roses also benefit from a balanced fertilizer with equal parts nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. For roses, it's best to start with established plants from a reputable nursery. Marigolds and other companion plants can be started from seeds or purchased as seedlings. If starting from seeds, sow them indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last expected frost date, then transplant them outdoors once the risk of frost has passed. When planting your roses, dig a hole large enough to accommodate the root system, usually about 12 to 18 inches deep and wide. Space your roses 2 to 3 feet apart, depending on the variety's mature size. Plant marigolds and alliums around the base of each rose, about 6 inches away from the main stem. Companion plants like lavender, geraniums, and catmint can be planted in between the roses, spaced according to their mature size. Urban gardens. In small urban spaces or containers, opt for compact rose varieties like the Fairy or Red Cascade, and pair them with dwarf marigolds and pinball wizard alliums. Suburban gardens. Create a stunning rose border along a fence or walkway, interplanting with marigolds, lavender, catmint, and tall allium varieties like Mount Everest. Indoor gardens, miniature roses like miniature antique rose or Sai can be grown in pots alongside small-scale companion plants like dwarf marigolds or blue moon pallida lavender. Roses require regular watering, about 1 inch per week, depending on your climate and soil type. Mulch around the base of your roses and companion plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Prune your roses annually in early spring to maintain their shape and encourage healthy growth. Remove spent blooms or deadheading to promote continuous flowering throughout the season. Produced by Mark Siebert. More gardens and information on companion planting can be found in his book, Beginner's Guide to Master Companion Planting. Visit mastercompanionplanting.com or order the book on Amazon today.